Now don't go as far because I'm filming now. So the self-treatment to maintain this extension, go ahead and just stand upright, is I have the person back up to a chair or a sofa or a table that intersects their upper thigh right below the gluteal crease. And what I have them do is very gently go into lumbar extension. So she's backward bending her upper body. She has a lot of range. Okay, and just do 30 of those. And I'm going to suggest that you do 30 of those a day forever.
Okay.
It's a very good low back exercise as long as it's not painful. If it gets uncomfortable, don't go as far. Okay? Mm-hmm. And this should be an easy way for you to maintain that movement of the sacrum and the movement at the lumbosacral junction. Thank you.